Hello class 11th. Now today I am going to continue with this chapter, that is digestion and absorption, and now today's topic is digestion of protein. Okay, digestion of protein, as you know, the dietary proteins are formed of long chains of amino acid bound together by the peptide linkage. Food proteins are ultimately broken down into the amino acid by gastrointestinal enzymes. The protein digesting enzyme, that is proteolytic enzymes, are called proteases or peptidases. Okay, see here, if, this is protein converted into or break down into polypeptide. Polypeptides now converted into dipeptides. Dipeptides and dipeptides converted into amino acid. Okay, now protein converted into polypeptide break apart the long chain protein by the enzyme pepsin and trypsin. Pepsin and trypsin. Okay, and that is called endopeptidases, also called endopeptidases. Endopeptidases. Ases related to enzyme suffix. Okay. Now polypeptide converted into the dipeptide by exopeptidases. Exopeptidases. Okay. Exopeptidases are aminopeptidases act at amino end of the polypeptide chain. Carboxypeptidases act at the carboxyl end of the peptide, and both classes of enzyme split off dipeptides. Okay, now dipeptides converted into amino acid with the help of the dipeptidases. Okay, dipeptidases enzyme. Okay, now here this protein converted into polypeptide with the help of breakdown into the long chain protein, that is endopeptidases. Examples are pepsin and trypsin. Now polypeptide converted into dipeptide with the help of the exopeptidases, for example aminopeptidases and carboxyl peptidases. Aminopeptidase क्या करेगा, जो amino group होगा उसको break करेगा, and carboxyl peptidase breaks carboxyl group. Okay, dipeptide types converted into the single unit, that is amino acid, with the help of dipeptidases enzyme break up dipeptides into the construct of the amino acid. This is the digestion of protein. Okay, and in mouth and stomach, as the saliva has no proteolytic enzymes, protein digestion does not take place in the mouth, it starts in the stomach. The gastric juice of the most vertebrate contain HCl and pepsinogen. Okay, क्या contain करता है, HCl and pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is an inactive form है. फिर ये जैसे HCl इसके साथ मिलता है तो now it converted into pepsin. Pepsinogen converted into pepsin in the presence of the HCl. Okay, and pepsinogen is converted into active pepsin in the presence of the strongly acidic pH, that is about 1 to 2 in the stomach. Pepsin is a very potent proteolytic enzyme and hydrolyzes many proteins into smaller molecule of proteoses and peptones. It is a non-specific endopeptidase. Okay, pepsin also hydrolyzes soluble casein, that is milk protein. Milk protein that is present inside, that is casein. Casein is a milk protein. Okay, and pepsin hydrolyzes soluble casein into the paracasein. Okay, कौन करता है, that is pepsin. Pepsin converted casein into the paracasein, and ये protein paracasein is then precipitated spontaneously as calcium paracasinate to from the solid curd. क्या बनाता है? कैल्शियम पैराकेसिनेट. कैल्शियम पैरा कैसिनेट. ओके, तो आपका कर्ड में क्या होता है? कैल्शियम पैरा कैसिनेट एंजाइम. ओके, नाउ अगेन नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज रेनी, अनदर and protein present in the milk, that is renin. ठीक है, that is renin. Renin coagulating protease called the renin, rennet or chymosin. It is found in the gastric juice of the human being during infancy and in calf. However, in adult, gastric juice is devoid of renin. The renin is secreted in the inactive form, that is prorenin. Okay. किस में बनता है? प्रोरेनिन में सिक्रीट होता है एंड नाउ कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेनिन इन एक्टिव फॉर्म, दैट इज प्रोरेनिन. अगेन विच इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द एक्टिव रेनिन इन द एसिडिक मीडियम. रेनिन कन्वर्ट्स केसीन इनटू द पैराकेसिन लीडिंग टू द मिल्क कोagulation. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इन इंटेस्टाइन. इंटेस्टाइन. Okay, what happened in intestine? Most protein digestion occurs principally in the upper intestine region. This is in the stomach and in the mouth. Okay. Now next is in intestine. Digestion of protein in intestine. Okay. Now next, most protein digestion occur principally in the upper small intestine. Pancreatic and intestinal juice contain a number of proteases. When proteins, pancreatic proteases. First one is pancreatic proteases. Okay. Now, when proteins leave the stomach, they are mainly in the form of proteases. Peptones and the large polypeptide. Immediately upon entering the small intestine, the partially breakdown of the products are attached by the major proteolytic pancreatic enzyme. Most of the pancreatic proteases are secreted in inactive forms like trypsinogen. Inactive form होता है. Okay, now convert into the trypsin. Trypsinogen is in inactive form. Nogen जिसमें लगा होगा तो now it's inactive. Okay. Now second is pepsinogen, chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsinogen is also inactive. Next one that is carboxypeptidases, and in the presence of the enterokinase, a protease of the intestinal juice, inactive trypsinogen is converted into trypsin. Enterokinase के present में, and this chymotrypsinogen is converted into chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin. Okay. Now inactive trypsinogen is converted into trypsin. Thereafter, trypsin activates chymotrypsinogen and carboxypeptidase into chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase respectively. This enables simultaneous action of all pancreatic proteases for a very rapid digestion of protein. Now next one, that is trypsin. Okay, trypsin acts best as an alkaline pH. Provided in the small intestine by the hydrogen carbonate of the pancreatic and intestinal juice, and by it hydrolyzes protein into peptidases.